Now question number 66, the word sample. What are the letters we have? SAMPLED sampled. Now these letters first they must be arranged in the alphabetical order. As they were arranged in the alphabetical order, this will be ADELMPS. Then we need to form a meaningful word starting with 1, 3, 4 and 6. Starting with 1, 3, 4, 6. Then tell me what are the letters we have? AELP. And out of which we need to start the word starting with L, LEAP. Now the third letter of that one from the left hand side is A. A, that is choice for question number 66. Then coming to the 67. Now in this one, what is the word we have? Prince. Now first, how will the word prince be written if all the letters are arranged in alphabetical order? As they were arranged in the alphabetical order INPRST, then each letter is replaced by its previous letter -1 and so on. I-1H, N-1M, P-1O, R-1Q, and this is R and this is S. HMOQRS, that is choice for question number 67. Then 68 onwards, must syllogisms. Model number 1 logically follows on. Logically follows some all cats are dogs. These are the cats that are dogs. All cats are dogs. And some other dogs are rats. Then first one, some cats are rats. That is false. And no cat is a rat is definitely true. As the second conclusion, negative conclusion is true, then we need to go for an alternate diagram. And some cats are rats. Alternate diagram true, previous negative conclusion false. Next at the same time. And the conclusion that was false, some cats are rat, now it has become true. First one true, the second false, second true, the first false. Between these two, only either 1 or 2. That is choice for question number 68. 68 choice 4. Then 69. Now in this 69, some flowers are petals. Now these are the flowers, they are petals, a flower and a petal. Some flowers are petal. No petal is a leaf. No intersection between petal and a leaf. And all these leaves are what? All leaves are branches. Then first one, no petal is a branch, that is definitely true. Some flowers are not leaves. No flower is a leaf, that some flowers are not leaves is also true. And so both the conclusions are true. Then to make them false, we need to go for an alternate. No petal is a branch means now we need to prove some of the petals are branches. Some petals are branches. Draw cheyacha leda? Now branch can be extended like this. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Next one, all flowers are not leaves. All flowers are leaves and cheppocha leda? All flowers are leaves. Tell me, is it possible to prove all flowers are leaves? All flowers are leaves until leaves will arrive. Now if I write leaf like this, no petal is a leaf will become false. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn, this will be true forever. Then what is your answer? Only 2 follows. Only 2. And it is given in which choice? Only 2? Only 2, choice 5. Then, now in this 70, some of the mugs are cups. These are the mugs that are cup, mug and a cup. And some cups are glasses. And next one, no jug is a mug. No jug is a mug means no intersection between jug and a mug. Now in this one, first one, some jugs are cup. Jug is here, cup is here, that is false. And no mug is a glass, that is definitely true. Now to make the second conclusion false, I need to run an alternate diagram. Some mugs are glasses. Now some mugs are, no mug is a glass means some mugs are glasses. Suppose mug and a glass I can able to extend like this. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. And at the same time some jugs are cups true ayinda. Idi kuda ippudu kuda false ayindi. Hence neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2, choice 1, question number 70. 70, it is choice 1. Then 71. Now in this 71, all gems are stones. These are the stems that are stones, and all stones are rock. All these stones are rocks, and some rocks are metal, rock and a metal. And first one, all gems are rocks, definitely true. All stones are metals, that is false. Only 1 is true. Only 1, choice 3, question number 71. Then 72. Now in this 72, some switches are plugs. Now some switches are plugs can be written like this, switch and a plug. And at the same time, no plug is a board. No intersection between plug and a board. And all switches can never be board. This entire switches cannot be board or not. Now I need to check out whether all switches can be boards or not. Boards అవుతున్నాయో లేదో ట్రై చేయండి. అవుతుందా? No. ఇలా బోర్డ్ రాసుకుంటే ఏమైపోయింది? Now board and this plug are intersecting. Hence it is not possible. And no board is a switch. No board is a switch true. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే సమ్ బోర్డ్స్ ఆర్ స్విచెస్ రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫాల్స్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? ఓన్లీ వన్. Only one, choice 3, question number 72. Then 73 onwards. Now this is based on directions here. F is 7 meters to the south of E. E is here. F is here. Now the distance between these two is how much? 7 meters. And G is 5 meters to the east of F. Now the distance between G and F is how much? 5 meters. And H is 3 meters to the north of Z. Now this is H, which is 3 meters. H is 3 meters to the north of Z. J is 10 meters to the west of H. 10 meters to the west of H means here this is 5, here there is 5, and J is 10 meters to the west of H. And K is 4 meters to the north of J. Now out of this 7, this is 3 and this will be 4. 3 plus 4. Now K is 4 meters to the north of J, this is K and 4. And K and E are in a horizontal straight line. Then, now the question is about, and which of the following represents the direction of G with respect to E? G with respect to G, from E first we need to move towards south and east. South and east, southeast, choice 3, question number 73. Then 74, how far is E from point K? Now the distance between E and K is nothing but 5 meters, and 5 that is given in which choice? Choice 3, question number 74. Mas saripinda? 5 meters, choice 3. Then next one. 75 to 79. ఇది దేంట్లోకి వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. And 8 friends are seated around a square table. Now square table, 4 at the corners and 4 at the centers. No parameter added to this one. And it must be under which category? First priority. Then, and 4 corners, well, for the one who sit in the middle of the side facing the center. Middle of the sides are facing towards which direction? Center. Middle of the sides are facing towards the center, and corners are facing away from the center. Then N sits at one of the middle of the sides, N is here, and J sits 4 to the right of N, J is here. And K is an immediate neighbor of J. K is an immediate neighbor of J. K can be either left hand side or K can be right hand side. And so many possibilities we have? 2 different possibilities. Now in the second possibility, now the persons at the corners are away from the center, and centers are facing towards the center. Now in this case, N is here, J is here, K is one of the immediate neighbors of J. Then, and L sits second to the left of O. O is not an immediate neighbor of N. O cannot be here, cannot be here. And can O be at this place? O ikkada undacha? If O is here, N and L must be in the same place. Not possible, O cannot be here. Then O be here? O ikkada undacha? No, because O cannot be adjacent to this one, N. O cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. Can O be here? O ikkada undacha? O ikkada unnadu anukondi. Then N, L and J must be in the same place. Not possible. Then what is the only possibility we have left for this O? O must be adjacent to J. Mas saripinda leda? O is here, L is at this place. Then coming back to this one, O cannot be in these 2 places. And O cannot be here as well. Ikkada unte N and L must be here. Ikkada unte L and K must be here. Ikkada unte J and L must be here. Ikkada unnadu anukondi, ikkada unde chance unda లేదు. And the second case, there is no place left to this O at all. Then O is not an immediate neighbor of N. L sits second to the left of O. Both the immediate neighbors of H is facing the center. Immediate neighbors of H is facing the center means H must be at the corner. Corner lo manaku khali undi ani cheppani, H is at the corner. Then, and M is not an immediate neighbor of H. M cannot be here, M is here. Now if M is here, tell me who is the person? H, I, J, K, L, M. And I is the person left out. And with the help of this one, what is the position of M with respect to H? M with respect to H, 1, 2, 3, out to the right, choice 4, question number 75. Then 76. And who sits second to the right of M? N sits second to the right of M, that is choice 1. And 4 out of the following, L, H, O, K, J. L, H, O, K, except J. The remaining at the corners and J is at the center. Choice 5, question number 77. Then 78. And who sit exactly between J and L? Exactly between J and L, O and M are the 2 persons who sit between, and 78 it is choice 1. Then 79. Which of the following is true regarding I? I faces outside, that is false. I is an immediate neighbor of N, that's again false. I sits exactly between K and H, definitely true, choice 3. and 79, it is choice 3. Then coming to this 80. Now in this 80, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 4 are the numbers given. Now in this 80, and which of the following will be the sum of the second digit of the number which is first from the left? First from the left ఏమని చెప్పండి 1, 3, 2, 4. ఇందులో second digit ఏముంది 3. Sum of 3 and the fourth digit of the number which is second from the right. Second from the right 9, 7, 3, 6. ఇందులో fourth digit 6. 3 plus 6 sum is 9. 9, that is choice 2, question number 80. Then 81 to 85. Now it is based on floors, and a building has how many floors? 8 floors. And how many persons are there? 8 persons. Now 8 persons are living on these 8 different floors. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now in this case, no parameter added to this one. Just we need to find out who is staying on which floor. Then again, coming to condition number 1. As coming to condition number 1, D lives on floor number 3. D lives on which floor? Floor number 3. And only one person between D and T, T can be here. This is one such possibility. Second one, D is on the third floor, T is on the first floor. One person between D and T. E lives on an even number floor and S lives immediately above E. And S is immediately above E and E lives on an even number floor. Hence, E cannot be on the second floor, cannot be on the fourth floor, cannot be on the eighth floor. And see here, E must be on the sixth floor and S is here. Saripinda leda? And next, coming back to this one, E cannot be on the second floor. E can be on the fourth floor. S is here, that is one possibility. And in the second case, D is here, T is here. Now E is on the sixth floor. S is here, there is another possibility. Altogether, we have 3 different possibilities in this one. Only 2 people between E and Q. In between E and Q, there must be exactly 2 people. Here it is not possible. సరిపోతుందా? ఈకి క్యూకి మధ్యలో ఇద్దరు ఉండాలి. ఈ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ Q and D must be in the same place, not possible. And 2 persons between E and Q, 1, 2, Q is here. Now 2 persons between E and Q, ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకు వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Hence, only the second possibility is left over. R lives on one of the floors below E. R is here. C does not live on the topmost floor. C is here. And B, C, D, E. And B is the person left over. B must be on the 8th floor. Then who lives on the lowermost floor? That is T, choice 2, 81. And who live exactly between E and Q? In between E and Q, how many persons are there? C, S and E. Now, and who lives exactly between the floors on which E and Q? E ki Q ki majhlo evaru unnaru cheppandi? C and S. Now C and S, that is choice 3, 82. And who among the following lives on the floor immediately above the floor on which R lives? Immediately above R, that is D. D, that is choice 4, question number 83. Then next one, 84. Who lives on floor number 2? R, that is choice 1. Then 85, which of the following is true? D lives on a floor immediately above C's floor. That is false. And choice 3, R lives on floor number 4. And Q lives on an even number floor. B lives on the topmost floor, definitely true. Choice 5, question number 85. Done with this? Then, question numbers 86 to 90. Now here, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 people in one row. And 6 people on the other row. Clear? Now 12 people, and in row 1, they are facing towards south. And who are the people in row 1? S, T, U, V, W, X. And in row 2, and J, K, L, M, N, O. J2 are the persons in row 2. Then, only 2 people sit to the right of T. As only 2 people sit to the right of T, then where should this T? T must be at this place. Saripindi kada? Because T is facing south, his left is towards our left hand side. L faces one of the immediate neighbors of T. T ki immediate neighbor ka opposite L unnadu. That is one possibility. And in the second, 4, 5, 6. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now T is here. L is at this place. L sits. L faces one of the immediate neighbors of T. And next one, only one person between L and M. In between L and M, there is exactly one person. Now in this case, M can be here or M can be here, 2 possibilities. And next one, only L sits to the left of M. As L is to the left of M, now in this case, M cannot be here. L is to the left hand side of M. Hence, M is at this place. Saripinda? L sits to the left of M. And next one, 2 people between M and K. M and K, there must be exactly 2 people. Here there are 2 people between M and K. 2 in between M and K. And O sits second to the left of K. In the first case, second to the left of K is not possible because K himself is at the left extreme. And O sits second to the left of K, second case. And next one of the immediate neighbors of M faces S. One of the immediate neighbors of M is this person, that person is facing S. W sits third to the right of S, W is here, third to the right. V sits second to the left of U, and V is seated second to the left of U, V is here, and sits second to the left of U. And V sits second to the left of U, J does not face W. And J cannot be at this place, J is here. J, K, L, M, N, O, and here S, T, U, V, W, X. Done? Then, what is the position of U with respect to X? And U with respect to X, 1, 2, 3. Third to the left, that is choice 1, question number 86. And 87, which of the following statements is true? X sits at one of the extreme ends. That is definitely true or not? Yes, both 1 and 2, we can go for that one. Who among the following is facing N? W, choice 2, question number 88. And 89, who among the following is facing V? M, that is given in choice 5, question number 89. 94 out of the following. And V, U, T, L, K. V, U, T, L, K, K, L, T, U, except V. The remaining 4 persons are at the center and V is at the corner. Choice 1, question number 90. Now 3 puzzles were given and all these 3 puzzles are of prelims difficulty level. కొత్తదనం ఏమీ లేదు ఇందులో. ఇంతకుముందు 5 members ఇచ్చాం, ఇప్పుడేమో 6 and 6. Then coming to 91 to 95, now it is based on coded inequalities. Now the relation between D and V చెప్పాలి. D కి V కి 1 less than 1 greater than 2 opposite symbols, no relation. C and K greater than less than 2 opposite symbols, no relation. Hence neither one not to, choice 4, question number 91. 92, Q and F greater than less than 2 opposite symbols, no relation. F and G, and F is here. Which element is common? H is common. H lesser than or equals to F and G lesser than H. Now G lesser than F is 2, F greater than G is 2. F greater than G, only 2, and it is given in choice 3, 92. Then 93, the relation between D and V. Now between D and V, 1 lesser than 1 greater than, no relation. C and W, 1 greater than 1 lesser than, no relation. Hence neither one not to, choice 2, question number 93. 93 is choice 2. Then 94, B and E. Now B is here, C equals to R, and in the place of R I can write it as C. Then B and E. Now C and B, if you observe here, 1 greater than, 1 lesser than, 2 opposite symbols. S and J, greater than, less than, 2 opposite symbols. Hence neither one not to, choice 5, question number 94. Then 94, then B and E. B and E avutunda manaki answer? Now B and E. Now Y greater than E. Y is the element that is common here. And Y and B, Y lesser than B. Y greater than E means E lesser than Y. Ante kada? E lesser than Y, Y lesser than B. Hence B greater than E. Only one is true. Choice 2, question number 94. Then 95, the relation between C and T. C and R are one and the same. C place lo R pettukon. Now C greater than or equals to T. Either greater or equal. Either 1 or 2, choice 1, question number 95. Then 96, and the word is pointer. How many alphabets are there in the English alphabet between 3rd and the 8th letters? What is the 3rd letter? I. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now between I and S, tell me how many letters English alphabet. In the English alphabet, I is 9, S is 19, 9 minus 19 is how much? 10. 10 minus 1, there are 9 in between. Difference is 10. In between letters, there are only 9. I to S, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. 9 letters were there. Then 96, 9, that is choice 4. And 97, now in this word spike, S-P-I-K is spike. And its code is HKRPV. Then what is the code to the word slugs? Now S and H, tell me what is the relation? Opposite. P and K, IR, KP, EV, they are opposite. And for S, it's opposite H, OL, and LO, OL, GT, SH. HOL, TH, and it is choice 1, question number 97. Then 98. 98 onwards, U is married to what? U is married to B. Now U is married to B, U and B are married couple, and B is the mother of whom? B is the mother of G, and U is the father of G, and G is the sister of M. G and M are siblings. M is the brother of L. M and L, these three persons are siblings. M is the brother of L. U has only one son. As U has only one son, he is none other than M. The remaining G and L are sisters. And U has only one son. Y is the son of L. Now this Y is the son of L. K is the father-in-law of Y. That means Y's wife's father is K. K is the father-in-law of Y. And how is L related to U? How is L related to U here? And U's daughter. Daughter, that is choice 1, question number 98. Then 99, if N is the only child of K, N is the only child of K, she is none other than K's daughter. And how is this N related to Y? Wife. Wife, that is choice 199. And 100, how is U related to Y? Y is mother's father. Mother's father, grandfather, choice 100. Done with this? Now this is about question number 66 to 100. Then, my number series second unnaya? Questions? 41. Now 41 to 45. Now in this 41, 608, 631 difference and those in Japan 23. And 631 and this one 46. 23 into 1, 23 into 2, 23 into 3, 69 on the other children, 69. The next one will be 92. And 6 plus 2, 8 travel. 74 plus 9, 83. Hence choice 1, question number 41. Now difference between the numbers are multiples of what? Multiples of 21. Then 42. Now in this 42, now numbers increasing and decreasing. Then we need to go for alternate. Alternate vastunda leda? 107, 108, 109, 110. 110, 111, 112. What is the number missing? 111, choice 1, question number 42. And 43. 43. 120 can be written as 5 cube minus 5. Raskocha leda? And next one, and 5 cube minus 5. Now 120 into 3 is 360. And 48 into 2.5. Now 24 into 2. Into 2 into 2.5 into 3 into 3.5. Next one will be into 1.5. Something into 1.5 is nothing but 16. And 16 into 1.5 is 24. Into 1.5 into 2 into 2.5 into 3 into 3.5. The given numbers are multiplied with. And 44. 24, 120. Now 120. 120 can be written as 5 cube minus 5. Now here 3 cube minus 3. Now here 9 cube minus 9. Hence 359. What is number missing here? 7 cube minus 7. 336, that is choice 5. The given numbers can be written as n cube minus n, where n is odd. 3 cube minus 3, 5 cube minus 5, 7 cube minus 7, 9 cube minus 9 and so on. Then question number 45, 10, 25. 10 and 25, how can you express this one? 10 into 2, 20 plus 5, 25 into 2, 50 plus 5, 55 into 2, 110 plus 5, 235 into 2, and 470 plus 5, 475, choice 1, question number 45. And this is about question numbers 41 to 45. Clear? Yes, any doubts in this one?